वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का वीडियो बहुत अमेजिंग होने वाला है। मेरे पास बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आती हैं एक्चुअली लीड्स के लिए। सो बेसिकली मेरी एजेंसी है, मार्केटिंग एजेंसी, इफ यू डोंट नो मी, एंड वी जनरेट लीड्स एंड वी हैव टू रीच आउट डेली, एंड ये हमारा एक रेगुलर प्रोसेस है। तो मैं लिंक्डइन, इंस्टाग्राम पे तो हूँ ही ऑलरेडी, एंड मेरा कॉन्टेंट से मुझे बहुत सारे इनबाउंड लीड्स आते हैं। पर पास्ट में मेरे संग ऐसा हो चुका है कि मैं उन पे पूरी डिपेंडेंट हो गई थी, एंड एक मंथ आया था जो मेरे सारे क्लाइंट्स एक साथ चले गए थे। तो उस चीज को अवॉइड करने के लिए एंड एक सस्टेनेबल फ्रीलांस बिजनेस या एजेंसी चलाने के लिए मैंने सोचा है कि कोल्ड डीएम एंड रीच आउट कभी बंद नहीं होना चाहिए। तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको शो करूंगी कि कैसे मैं एक वेबसाइट है उससे ऑलमोस्ट 250 प्लस लीड्स डेली मेरे पास फ्री रहते हैं टू रीच आउट ऑन emails, and I also can reach out to people on LinkedIn. So let's start. So as you can see, once we log in, we go into the people section, and we can easily put the filters here. So there is whole persona, you can put job title, you can put, I have put CEO, founder, marketing manager. Then you can put the employee count, the location, the industry, food, cosmetics, luxury, like there are so many, and then so many people you can see comes here, and you can just click on any person and you can just see this crazy thing that they got this LinkedIn here. So you can easily just go and click on their LinkedIn and you can see their profile basically. So this is something very good about this thing. For the LinkedIn lead gen. Now we'll come to email. So basically you can send emails also here to people. You can access email, as you can see. You can, I think, even access mobile number. So yeah, so emails, like you just have to search people, and here, and then you have to just, you can see here email option, and then you can just send them email. Okay, so I have maintained a sheet which I'm gonna attach in the description below. There is an agency or freelancer kit in which you'll get this. So there's this column of one company where you can put all the company profiles, and then the founder profile, and then co-founder, all the decision makers. So the decision makers you should target when you are reaching out or you're making a sheet for leads is the CEO, co-founder, marketing manager, founder's office, business development manager, maybe HR. So these 5-6 are good to go. Now I have written the year founded, the number of people, employees in the company, funding, revenue. Also column for leads on the sheet is the follow-ups. So this is the most important thing. So what happens when you reach out to a lead, it's not necessary they'll reply you back. They mostly talk to you and might say we want to start in April, we want to start in next quarter. So you need to follow up to them until they say no, and you have to keep it in the loop. One hack I also use basically that I engage with their content on LinkedIn, so they keep remembering me, and also because I have a good presence on LinkedIn, it's very easy to convert them that way. So I think if you are a freelancer or if you're an agency owner, this is really good and helpful website, and it's free of cost. Like 250 plus emails you can send free daily, and you can find so many LinkedIn profiles of so many founders of so many companies. And I think, yeah, I mean, in free only you can get so much of value in clients for whole year, and if you really like, you can upgrade. So it's up to you, but I think it's a very cool and great thing, and every agency should try it. So yeah, that's it. If you want to know ki after reaching out on LinkedIn, how to proceed that, how to convert in the messaging and all, then there's a paid course I have of dollars in content, where I teach you all about the content creation, all about the cold DMs, all about how you can talk to them. So it's a good freelancing course which you can ping me on Instagram or LinkedIn if you want to buy it. I don't post links in the description because it's a bit costly and not everyone wanna buy it. So yeah, so that's one thing, and the rest I will put my LinkedIn videos or playlist somewhere here, so you can go and watch after this. It will really help you out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.